Hello guys, my name is Paul, Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango. This is the Yaesu FT-2000 radio. It's a contest radio, very nice radio for TX with a lot of features and a lot of hard buttons on this transceiver on the front. And actually this radio is for sale. So the price of this radio is 1,000 euros. So who want to buy this radio from me? Just let me know down in comments or send me an email. So let me say something about this radio. It is a 100 version of the FT-2000, 100 watts version. This radio has two receivers. This one is the main receiver is DSP or digital, and the second receiver is the analog receiver. They working separately, so just you will need to be in one band, of course, but they are working separately. The second thing is that this radio has automatic toner, and you can see also the DSP functions like here. This is the digital noise reduction function. This is the function contour. And with the contour feature, you can adjust the audio of the received signal, and also it has a preselector here. It's named like VRF. So this is the front end preselector, and you can increase the selectivity of the receiver. So radio has this 6 meters, compression, automatic limiter control, power, SWR, idle, and voltage. And this meter is shown here on the meter, on the analog meter, and while transmitting or while pushing the PTT button, you can see the value of one of these meters here. So the radio has, as you see, the analog meter. Then you can see here the receiver settings from front to back. This is the front of receiver. This is the back of the receiver. You can see it continuously from antenna to the end. So you can clearly see how is your receiver set actually. Down here in this table you can see the actual settings or the DSP settings when I will turn with this button here. There's the width filter. This is all the DSP settings. So this is the width filter, shift filter, or contour filter, or digital noise reduction with these buttons here. The notch, and you can see the notch is split to 2 buttons or knobs. Sorry, this is knob. Fine and coarse. You can set the notch more sensitive with fine and less sensitive with coarse, and it shows here on this table when I turn with contour, for example. I will turn with contour, and you will see here marking is moving left to right, and also you see the value here on the second receiver display. Okay, next we have the contour, the DNR button, or with shift button. This is the white filter button here. Or shift button. Or knob. So here you have the direct input, the frequency, or the bands stacking here with these buttons. The memory functions here, fast tuning or lock, the DL, clarifier is down, RX takes or clear the functions, and actually here you see the modes. So this radio is capable working in LSB, USB, CW, AM, FM, RTTY, and packet or digital modes. So these analog knobs here, you see the noise blanker, squelch, AF gain, RF gain, AF gain, RF gain, sub receiver, speed in CW or pitch, break in spot, squelch for the sub receiver, monitor feature, you can hear yourself in the earphones, and the processing, signal processing or transmit signal processing. It increase audio coming from mic, and the Vox delay is here, or you can direct adjust the power, transmit power from your transceiver from 0 to 100 watts, from 5 to 100 watts, sorry. You can see the value here on this display. You can see the let me show you this display. I will adjust the power, and you can see here the value. The step is 5 watts, as you can see, and its minimal value 5 watts, and the maximum value is 100 watts. Okay, and down below these knobs you can see the channel 1, channel 2, channel 3, channel 4. This is the memory buttons, and also the memory input. You can record yourself for next transmissions. You can record your CQDX, or maybe your CQ only, or you can record your call sign, and so on. And you can erase or replace this message every time when you want. So that's a short video about the Yaesu FT-2000 100 version. The power supply, by the way, is internal, so you don't need any external power supply, because the original power supply is in this radio. So guys, radio is for 1,000 euros. who want this radio, please let me know again and down in comments, or send me an email and we can deal together. The radio is 100% functional. All features are working well, and I am a second owner, and the reason why I'm selling this radio is that I'm looking for some new radio like SDR, maybe the 7300 or maybe 7610, or maybe a new Yaesu FT-2000 D, who knows. The receiver in this radio is very quiet. Let me show you how it works.
Okay, Willem, that's the story. Z3, what's the temperature today? What temperature today in your QTH, Willem, over?
It's very good to use also the attenuator here with this knob.
One more time.
Receive and transmit quality is beautiful with this radio, by the way.
Sur YouTube et donc j'utilise le navigateur
Стоит, блин, дурак поставил для 80-ки, а здесь очень много теряем. Слава Богу, ты знаешь, Гена, что я скажу? Слава Богу, что... В первом веке знаешь, какие модные усилителя продается? Без пиконтра, без тюнера, только выход 50 Ом. Все! Как с таким киловаттом работать?
This is the AM broadcast station on long wave.
Já vám za to děkuju, nashledanou. A ještě necelých 5 minut a bude 8 hodin. Chystáme hlavní zprávy.
The quality is very, very nice. Audio quality.
Good to hear you, Graham. And, well, trust you well. Fine.
Yeah, it's 8 o'clock morning, and the propagation seems to be not really perfect. Noise reduction. Now is noise reduction on. And this is the level of the noise reduction in this stream.
With a 4-element Yaesu beam, roger. Okay, thanks for that nice contact, and I wish you many days on 40 meters. There will be more uniform Thank you. 240. From Foxtrot 8, Charlie Hotel Mike.
Okay, guys, so if you want to buy this radio, please let me know The price is again 1,000 euros, and we will deal, I'm sure. So 7-3, and thank you very much for watching this video. Bye bye, guys.